Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the lesson data storage and memory. In this lesson, first we will learn about what is data. Data is a representation of raw facts and figures, and the data may be in the form of text or a number or a special character, which is given as an input to a computer. Now, let us go for learning with instructions. Instructions are the commands or the sequence of steps that are given to a computer how to work with the given data. Yes, now as we are given the data which is accepted in the form of instructions, now the result which is given by the computer or the output which is given by the computer is known as information. Now let us go for learning with difference between data and information. Data is raw or unorganized facts. Nothing but the data will not be organized, which is given. Data is the input which is given to a computer, and the information is the output which is given by the computer or the result produced by the computer after accepting the input. Let us go for dealing with the example of data and information. Now, we know that in our school the teachers will collect the height and weight of the children. Yes, and did we are giving the same format? No. We are arranging all the heights and weights of the children in an ascending order, which is in a proper manner, which is called as an output, which is the result of the data collected. So, the result is known as the information and the data collected is known as the data. Clear? Let us go with the next topic now. We can see the picture raw facts. Raw facts is nothing but the data which is given to a computer, which will give me the result in the form of information. Now let us go for learning a new topic is data storage units. Yes, in this storage units, we know milk is measured in liters and rice is measured in kgs. As we already know, even we need to measure the memory of the computer. And first, whatever we are entering into the computer is not accepted. Whatever we are entering into the computer cannot understand. The computer needs to convert the computer language to other language, that is called, we call it as machine code. Yes, the computer will accept always store the data only in two digits, 0 and 1. 0 represents off and 1 represents on. Both 0 and 1 are called binary digits or we call it as bits. The data entered into a computer is stored in the form of bits and these bits are measured using the bytes. Now let us learn what is a bit. Bit is a single digit. We call it as a binary number which can be either 0 or 1. And a computer language represented in bits is called as binary language. A group of 8 bits we call it as byte. And the measuring unit of the computer is in the form of bytes. And 4 bits of data we call it as 1 nibble. We have data storage unit, a table represented over here, which shows the first column shows the units, bit, nibble, byte. These are the measuring units of the computer memory. And the next column we can see is the abbreviations, which will be like KB, GB, MB, TB, EB, all that. Kilobyte we call it as KB and megabyte we call it as MB. And the storage capacity, we know bit is either maybe 0 or 1. And nibble is equal to 4 bits and byte is equal to 8 bits. The same way we have kilobytes 1024 bytes and megabyte 1024 bytes, megabyte 1024 kilobytes. Like that it will extend go on till yottabyte. And the next topic will be covered in the coming PowerPoint presentations, children. So thank you.